little bit more. A little bit more.
Dude, you're gonna not even get me in the face mask.
Seriously, we'll get you in the face mask. That's fine. That's where you got me.
How far away did he stand?
The further you go back, more
Hang on,
chance
wait
of
till I
him
say
missing
ready.
are. Don't go back too far, because that's the more chance of him missing your face mask and getting your body.
You stood like, wait, how far did you stand?
Right there?
No, you didn't.
I really did.
You stood like way over there.
Because he was standing.
Stand way over
Because he was
there,
standing
come on.
right here.
It's up to you.
That's fine, right there.
Ready?
Wait, why are you videotaping it?
A YouTube video?
Wait, alright.
Ready?
Wait, hang on, don't shoot yet.
Just go.
Hang on. I don't want to get it in my mouth.
Come on, close your mouth then.
You shouldn't get it in your mouth.
Get me in the fucking face mask. I'll be pissed. Don't, dude, I'll be pissed.
Come on, get him so I can get this.
Dude, come on.
Oh, what? No, that didn't even
That
count.
counted.
No, it didn't.
No.
You went down, Justin. Don't be
Hang on,
gay.
Hang on, alright.
Don't be gay.
Alright.
Did it hurt?
No.
Exactly.
I
What
got.
did you give me the first time?
Right there.
I put my head down because I thought you were aiming at my fucking stomach.
Luckily you had that on because look how much